Kuza no mama, inature sengozini, ndiyacela no mama. There was a severe drought in 2017-2018.
You could see the dam levels dropping, no rain 3 years in a row. We could see that we are going to have day zero. We are going to run out of water.
When there's no rain, what is the other solution? How else could we bring more water, especially into the catchment areas for our farmers and our communities that we operate in? And what SAB managed to do with our partners is find an innovative way to do that.
The alien plants came from other countries. The problem is those plants, they are invasive. We are clearing the catchment areas to allow the water flow to the dams.
There are people out here removing these plants, and that allows us to open our taps and see water coming through. The work that they do is hard. They are climbing up to areas that are really tough to get to. These are some of the heroes of our country.
Kuza no mama, inature sengozini, ndiyacela no mama. So ba into bana ubakhe saqula isisaqula woza no mama. Nature is in danger. Iyasivuselela ezimpilweni zethu.
When we look at our ingredients that you use to make beer, the hops, the barley, the maize, we have them relying heavily on water. So it is very important for us as SAB to be good stewards of the resources that we are given. It is vital for our business, but more importantly for our communities. Since 2015, we've released about 3.3 billion liters of water back into catchment areas. And we will continue to show up for South Africa